How to clear system storage on Android phone. So if you want to clear your system storage on your Android phone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to go with about phone, which will be on the top, and then you need to go with storage, which is here on the right side. Once you go with storage, you will have all of your storage right here, your system storage. If you want to clear your system storage or if you want to free up some space on your system, then first you need to see what are the things that's taking a lot of storage on your device. So in my case, it's app and data. You can just simply go and delete some apps that you're not using, or you can also just simply scroll down and then go with your system files, tap on free up storage. Now you can delete your installation packages or delete some videos or uninstall some apps or delete some big files or photos. So just simply go and delete them. And after deleting, you'll have some space. Or just simply go back. After deleting all of that, you need to go back and then do another thing, which is you need to scroll down and then go with apps and go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search. And here you need to make sure at first you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top, and make sure that it's showing your system services. Once done, go with your search. And here you need to search for Android system key verifier. And then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and clear the cache. And also just simply go and force stop this. After force stopping, hit the OK to confirm and do the same for all the apps that you don't use. Just go through them and then force stop each one. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.